Today is another day in lockdown in Toronto, so I decided to go to a restaurant, a Mexican restaurant, for having Mexican food made of pork, because I've been having a lot of Mexican food made of chicken and beef, but today I'm gonna have one with pork. It's called La Carnita, yes, La Carnita. So let's try that out. It's gonna be in downtown Toronto, and it's probably not a long bike ride, but we're gonna make it somehow. So see you there. So here is a nice bike trail that they have allocated for biking. So we're gonna make it over there. I think that's the only thing you can get during this lockdown. Just biking around and see what you can find. Let's check it out. It's pretty much fun to bike downtown Toronto. Let's see where we are heading to. Nothing really fun about this city except the tall buildings. A lot of condominiums are built over here and they're all expensive. So here is how it looks like biking in downtown. All right. We're still going. It's called a bike trail, but it's not a really bike trail. I don't know if I'm recording. Yes. Okay. All you see over here, just a picture of bike on the ground. That means it's a bike trail. But it's not really. Hasn't been constructed well for bike ride. They just stamped the picture. All right. It's a very nice, smooth and fun bike ride, but I can't compare it with what you can see in Amsterdam for sure. Never been there before, but based on what I heard. Okay, let this guy go pretty close. All right. Feels like I'm taking picture for Google Maps. Feels awkward. Let's pass this. All right. Okay. People think I'm crazy. They don't see my camera. They see me talking to myself. Okay. I thought it's gonna be 20 minutes bike ride, but it turned out that it's 40 to 45 minutes bike ride. Can never trust Google Maps. But it's nothing for me, but I had something else to do coming up. And I counted on 20 minutes. Now it turned out it's 45 minutes. It's okay. What can I do? But in terms of exercise, this is nothing. Next time I will take you for 3 hours bike ride. Not next time, sometime in future. I don't want to lie. Okay. So you gotta turn right in. Some bastards. They think that they are driving in somewhere in crowded place in Asia. That's how it feels like sometimes over here. Okay. So we're gonna turn right soon. I'm not gonna record the whole journey. This is just the highlight. So I don't want to make you guys bored.
Turn left onto McPherson Avenue, then turn right onto Davenport Road.
Let's see where we're heading to. It's a very quiet area. Alright guys, 4 more minutes. That's what Google Maps says. Based on my experience, is not really accurate because the whole journey is taking 45 minutes now. No leaves on trees yet. It's not lush yet, but still better than cold. All right. Approaching the destination. 1 more minute. See where this place is. St. Clair. Very chill and calm. Thank you. And should be somewhere here. We are approaching our place. Okay. Should be somewhere around here. Ah, it's here. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you with the food. I'm gonna get in there. See you. So it turned out that the restaurant is few minutes walk away of where I parked my bike. So it's there. It's called Atomic. So we're gonna see how the food is. I need to wait 10 minutes for my order. So I think I see you in about 10 minutes. Food. Let's see how it tastes like. So here it is. It's a spicy sauce or picante. I don't mind the spicy. I like it. Let's try it out. Okay. It's not bad actually. It's good. Let's put more picante because I like it spicy. It's not a real spicy sauce, but it's spicy for a Canadian flavor. Not bad actually. This is the first time I'm trying pork taco. La Carnita. It's good. I recommend you. Put some lemon. And this is jugo de naranja. Mexican orange juice. Not really good. It's like vitamin powder mixed with water. But the food is good. I'm starting to get runny nose. This is actually amazing. You can see it's crispy, and you can see the juice squeezing out of it. This is good. I like soft taco better than hard taco. Let's get the last piece and get the hell out of this area. Get some medication, vitamin C and water. It's not a really good juice. Let's have that. last bite. A little bit greasy here though, with some lemon on it. The food was actually good, but the orange juice I don't recommend. See you guys next time for another food and another bike ride. See you.